If you take an avocado pear every day for a month, you are going to get many benefits. If you consider taking avocado pear on daily basis, you are going to get amazing benefits. What are the benefits that you are going to get whenever you take avocado pear? But I want to tell you that this fruit is one of the most important fruits every man needs to take. This fruit is one of the best fruits with the best amazing benefits. So before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you like videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. And don't forget to hit the like button. So what are the amazing benefits of taking avocado pear? The amazing benefits are many, but I am going to share with you 4 best amazing benefits of this avocado pear. Once you do consume avocado pear, you are going to get these 4 wonderful amazing benefits of avocado pear. So I will always recommend avocado pear to anyone out there, especially the men. Consume avocado pear. Take it as much as you can. You are going to get the best benefit, which I am going to expose or reveal here in this video. So number 1 benefit you are going to get is that once you take avocado pear, it will improve your vision. What do I mean by vision? In case you are having a short-sightedness, it will improve and make you to have a long-sightedness. It will improve your vision. Maybe you are having eye problems. You are having vision problems. Maybe the way or the rate of your seeing is gradually going down. But once you take avocado pear on daily basis for a month, it will improve your vision. So number 2 is that avocado pear help to lower blood pressure. Avocado pear is very wonderful because it contains vitamins that will help to lower blood pressure. And the content of this avocado pear will help you to lower blood pressure. So what will you gain from taking this avocado pear is it will help to lower your blood pressure. Number 3 benefits that you are going to get from taking avocado pear is your breath will be fresh. Anytime you take avocado pear, your breath will be fresh. The way you breathe, it will not stink, it will not smell or have odor. Once you have odor during your breathing or it stinks, but with this avocado pear, it will refresh your breath. It will make your breathing very clean, neat, and there will be no odor. For those maybe you're having catarrh and cough, with this avocado pear, once you consume avocado pear on daily basis, it will improve your breath and it will refresh your breathing. Number 4 and the last benefit of taking avocado pear is it will help to clean up your kidney and liver. The way your kidney is working and your liver, this avocado pear will help to improve their function and it will help to clean them up. Avocado pear help to clean the liver and the lungs and the heart. As you consume avocado pear, it will go straight to your liver and your lungs, heart, and clean them up and improve the rate of their function for efficient and maximum performance. So if you can consume avocado pear on daily basis, be rest assured that your liver, your heart, and your lungs will be at the best state. So always do consume avocado pear for you to get all these benefits. What are the benefits? The benefits are: number one, it will improve your vision. Number two, it will also lower blood pressure. Number three is that it will refresh your breathing, assuming that your breathing is smelling or it has an odor. With avocado pear, it will improve your breathing and make it fresh. And the last one, which is the fourth one, is that avocado pear will clean up your lungs, liver, and heart. It also helps in heart health. And most especially, another secret of this avocado pear is that it helps to increase sperm count in male. So do consume avocado pear for you to get all these benefits. Take it every day for a month. You are going to get all these benefits. I hope you get value from this video, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good video like this. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.